Hey YouTube, welcome to my channel, Bright Spark TV. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you all are doing great today, as I always wish the best for you and your family during this holiday season. So, in today's video, I just want to talk about what I did for this holiday. Today, I just sent off 100,000 Jamaican dollars for my kids' holiday. Yeah, 650 USD, 650 US dollars. That amounts to approximately 100,000 Jamaican dollars. Now, I don't want y'all to think that I'm on here bragging about sending my kids money. I just thought I'd share the occasion with you. It's my first Christmas overseas away from my family. Normally on Christmas Day, I get my kids, they hop in the car and we go out to KFC and we purchase the biggest bucket of chicken there is on the board. We purchase cake, corn, all of that. And this year I won't be there, so I just felt a little way that I won't be around for Christmas, so I thought I'd just give them something to cheer up their holiday. Yeah, it's a time of year, and that day especially, we go out on Christmas Day, and uh, the line is normally full. The KFC line is normally full on that day. So when we go to the drive-through, we spend like an hour and a half just to get our meals and get home. But we use that hour and a half to just talk and have jokes and all of that, just father and children bonding. So I just sent my daughters 100,000 Jamaican dollars for their holiday, man, and I really feel good about it. It feels so amazing to be able to, you know, send that amount of money to my children. If I was in Jamaica, maybe, the house would be stocked with food and they would just get like maybe 20,000 each to go out and purchase something based on what I can afford. But now I'm overseas, I'm able to send that 650 US dollars, and I feel good about it, man. So I know all of you parents overseas right now, you'll be doing the same thing. You'll be sending some money home to your children, your elderly parent, maybe even your brother and sisters, or your loved ones, your spouses. But I uh, I did it. I did it today. It will get there before Christmas Eve, because all you ladies know that once it gets to Christmas Eve, you'll be in the Western Union, the MoneyGram, or the Jamaican National Money Transfer line for the whole day. So I try doing it as early as possible so that they can be able to pick it up for the weekend, because Monday is Christmas Eve and Tuesday is Christmas. So I'll be spending the Christmas holiday alone, guys. But it doesn't really hurt me. I've gotten used to the foreign overseas work experience. I've gotten used to holding my own, just doing what it takes to be here, so that I can do things like this for my family. I can do things like this for my family, and hopefully this will not be a one-off situation, a one-off occasion, but in the near future, When my money starts to stack up higher, I can be able to send $100,000 to them like every month. Yeah, that's my dream, man. I want to be able to be here making so much money I can be able to send my kids $100,000 every month. And if you agree with me, you can drop it in the comment section if you're like me and you send some money for the holidays to your children. Tell me how much you sent. Let's have a discussion on the topic, man. New Year's is right around the corner. 2025 is right around the corner. And we're just finishing the year with a banger. We're having a party, man. Christmas party. So y'all know what it is. Bright Spark. Until the next video, man. Subscribe.